Star rating system is commonly used in movies, restaurants, and hotels to let users rate products or services. Adding a rating system to app makes it easier for users to provide feedback and helps vendors gather insights. In this video, I'll show you how to build a star rating system in Momen without writing any code. We'll be using Conditional View in this project. This component allows you to display different content based on specific conditions. First of all, we drag the Conditional View to the canvas. The stars are laid out from left to right, and the number of stars that user click represents the score they give. So in this case, we will have 5 cases, one for each possible rating. Let's configure the 1-star case first. First, we remove the default background color of this view. Since the stars should be displayed in a row, we set the layout method to horizontal. And we set the width to 80% so it fits both mobile and desktop layouts. Inside the Conditional View, add image components for the stars. Each star has 2 states. The empty star represents the unclicked states, and the filled star represents the clicked. We first upload the clicked star image and set the width to 1 fraction. 1 fraction means that it takes up 1 portion of its parent component. As we can see, there is a gap between these stars, so we need to add a gap of 10 to space out these stars. Now we copy and paste this image and replacing it with an unclicked star image. After you copy and paste them, don't forget to rename everything. Otherwise, they'll look the same in the editor. Then we can copy and paste these unclicked stars for 3 times, so we can create a total of 5 stars. Currently, the stars are just images. We need to connect them to a score variable so that clicking on a star updates the rating. So we click on a page and go to the right panel, Data, and create a new page variable. We name it Score, and the type will be big integer. We set the default value to 1, so representing the 1-star rating. Now we can configure the conditions for the 1-star case. In this case, when page variable score equals to 1, we display 1 clicked star and 4 unclicked stars. Now we need to make the stars clickable. We select the first star, go to Actions, and set unclick action, set page variable, the score value equal to 1. And then select the second star, we set the same action, set page variable, and the score equal to 2. Now we just repeat this for the remaining stars, updating the score value accordingly. And you can just copy and paste the action for each star. Now we can create the other cases. We just need to copy and paste the 1-star case to create cases for 2, 3, 4, and 5 stars. Don't forget to rename the case name. For each case, we need to update the image to show the correct number of click starts. And we also need to update the condition. For example, in the 2-star case, the score should be 2. And we can just repeat this for other cases. Once it's done, we can click Mirror to preview the app. Click different stars to see how the rating updates dynamically. Now we're recording ratings in a database. We need to create a table, we name it Score Record, and then we add the field called Score. The type should be integer. This is a 4 stars rating. And now we need to set up a one-to-many relationship between the account table and the rating table, because one user can submit multiple ratings. In this case, you see users' records in the account table, and in the score table, you can see who rates a score. Now we add a button labeled Submit. We need to configure an insert action. The table we need to insert is the score record we just created. In the field Score, we need to insert the page variable score. And the user ID would be current user's ID if login is implemented. On success, we need to add a confirmation message. We select Show Toast and the message to be rating submitted successfully. And now let's click Preview to see how it works in the web environment. We click a 3-star rating and then submit. It shows successfully. And if we open the database, the score we just gave is recorded here. Here the user ID is null because we haven't configured the login action. Now you've successfully built the star rating system. If you want more tutorials like this, please stay tuned for more updates in Momen's channel.